Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see a Duolingo app, which is the easiest way to learn any language. So we are going to start from French. I have already done quite a few units of this language. I guess I have done the 9 units already, but for your understanding, you see I have done the 9 units. Okay, but for your understanding, we are going to give it a start and we are going to do every one lesson, not unit, because unit is taking a lot much time, but we are going to do few lessons every day for your understanding to keep with up to this language and to understand how we can speak, write, listen and read French. So our first unit is going to be this one. So before going to start any unit, you need to click on this guidebook and you will see what they have for you in there. So if you see the unit 1 guidebook, explore grammar tips and key phrases, so it's going to show you few common phrases like je suis Mary, I am Mary, then it's a cat is eating, Paul is eating a croissant, are you Mark? So there are the few sentences. Then there is a tip. In French, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. Masculine nouns use, how does it speak? Okay, so for masculine nouns, we are going to use and for feminine nouns, we are going to use une. In. Okay, so this means a. So if you see this is a boy, un garçon. See, because there is a special accent for R you are going to learn in the future. Then there is a girl, une fille. Okay, then this is a masculine. So okay, un homme. Okay, une femme, then a dog, un chien, une pizza. Okay, so far we have learned that in French, all nouns are either masculine or feminine, and for masculine nouns we are going to use un, and for feminine nouns we are going to use une. Okay, so you see, un garçon, une fille. Then this is man, femme. Okay, we have done this. Okay, so what is the next step? So the next step is, in English we say I am, but you are. In French you do the same thing. So for example, this is I, je. Okay, je. And then this is suis, je suis. So this means I am. This is tu. This is you, are, you are. Then this is he, she, il, elle, e. So this and this speak same, okay? So this was just an example that is as you use in English, that I am, you are, so as you use the same in French but with different words, okay? So this means I am a boy. Je suis un garçon. Je suis un garçon. Je suis un see? Je suis un garçon. Je suis un garçon. Okay. So then there are other key phrases that good morning, how are you, I'm doing well. We're gonna see that in detail later, but for now we are just focusing on the tips. So to understand the accents well, just listen this. Je. E. A. In French, an accent above a letter, a mark. Okay, so in French, an accent mark, a mark appearing above a letter over a letter can make a new sound. Okay, So you see, this is E and E, but there is accent mark. See? E. Okay, so you need to keep in mind the accent mark of these as well. So far, if you see that, okay, this is a little bit tough, but no, this is gonna be really easy because I have already done the 9 units. So this is for today. This is the Unit 1 guidebook, and we will see each and every lesson and unit here together. So if you are interested to learn French, just subscribe to this channel and like to this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.